Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to open and remove multiple desktops to organize your PC or workspace. It's quite simple to create and use multiple desktops. Just go to your desktop. In the taskbar down here you will see this double window symbol. Click on this icon and you will see desktop 1, which is your main desktop you are currently using. If you click on the plus button, you will create and open a new desktop. Of course you can create more, like 3 or 4 of them. So why do you need this feature? You can switch between all desktops you created to organize your PC or workspace and having different windows open on each of them. To make your life easier, not to have all your tasks and windows mixed on one desktop. If you rename desktop 1 into work, desktop 2 into gaming, and let's say desktop 3 into private, you will have a great organized computer environment to make your life easier, not to have all your tasks and windows mixed on one desktop, instead organized into workspaces. If you want to remove or delete your new added desktops, you can just click on the right top cross on each of them. That's all from this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.